Let us find 1 mole of which of these gases, hydrogen, ammonia and carbon dioxide, has more number of molecules. It is observed that 1 mole of all of these gases have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Let us try to find 1 mole of which of these gases will occupy more volume. Since the volume of substance changes with temperature and pressure, we measure the volume of all the gases at STP, that is 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. First, we will measure the volume of 1 mole of hydrogen gas. You will observe that it occupies 22.4 liter at STP. When we measure the volume of 1 mole of ammonia gas, we observe that it occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Similarly, when we measure the volume of 1 mole of carbon dioxide at STP, it also occupies 22.4 liter. Let us weigh 1 mole of each of these gases and find if their weights are also identical like their volumes and number of particles are. First, we will find the weight of 1 mole of hydrogen gas. It weighs 2 grams. When we weigh 1 mole of ammonia, it weighs 17 grams. When we weigh 1 mole of carbon dioxide, it weighs 44 grams. The following equation shows how 1 mole of substance is related to the number of molecules, volume of substance and mass of a substance.